In this step we will configure the widget of the front page. Click on the Customize link to open the Customizer panel. Click on the Widgets section tab to open Settings. You will see 3 widgets available for the footer widget area. Click on the Footer Widget First Column tab, and then on Click Add a Widget button, it will show available widgets list. Select the custom HTML widget to add into widget area. Now we are adding the recent posts widget into the footer widget second column second widget area. Follow the same procedure as we're showing in the video. Now we are adding the tag cloud in the last footer widget third column widget area. We are following the same steps as we did into the last widget area. After setting up the widget section, click on the Publish button to save changes, close the customizer, and take a final preview of the widget section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.